Do you prefer them across or straight up?
Very right now.
You sure?
But straight would be
Okay.
Yeah, I've seen them better
I
with
think
myself. All right.
Yeah,
That's fine.
it has range.
Yeah, we are gonna go there.
Yeah.
And
It has range.
right, I'm loading.
Mara sheshani phela ngama-video. We remember we got appointment.
Let's go. Mama, shesha nami yayana. Right, I'm carrying my bucket. We'll open and see what we have. I'm going to put this one here. And then I'm going to put this one here. Then I'm going to put I think that one is only carrying tools. I'm going to go and pick it. I don't know whether our bed will survive the sun there. Yes. And I've got this one here. We'll open them there. When I'm saying I'm going to open my bucket there, I know some of you are starting to think, hey, we know Inyangas of having snake. No, let the snakes on the mountain and in the rivers. I'm not going to do that nonsense. And I know, nowadays some, because Sosobala, he had snakes and he bought aeroplanes as a mere traditional healer. People go to Kruger Snake Park. There I had a friend of mine who was giving me snake venoms when I was trying to make a tablet called Unwele. That is in 2000. If you check on me, if Bona Magazine can allow you the access on Bona Magazine April 2000. They were calling me Mohammed of Africa. That was the Indians there, because there's many of them there in Durban, Chatsworth. I had helped a lady that has got isifulana edliwa umzimba wonke called Boniswa or Bonisiwe, something like that. Yeah, I was doing a lot of things there. It is not only now that I'm starting these things. When we talk of the snakes, people go to Kruger Snake Park and some pet shops, they buy snakes and they tell ourselves, hey, these are my children. Yeah, I've got powers from these snakes. I will beat you fucked up and you die with your snakes. Ungadlaleli la kumina ngenyoka lezi nizithenga amaphetsi la. Fitting engaka. Abantu abanezinyoka, people who got snake, we want to see your skin peeling off and not coming together like Sobalambata, because that one, he had spiritual snakes. Not to saying they were good. No, let them stay in the waters and in the bushes here. If you are having snakes, your skin must peel off like the one. Google here and find the photo of Sobalambata. But if you've got that pure skin that is still well and normal and together, namanga man, you got a snake of the pet shop, retain that snake there. Why you supana nenyoka? Because you want man, you want full people around. I know you guys, when I talk the truth, you kidnap me. Some of you as Inyangas, you are suffering now. Ketelezi now is even afraid of appearing well in the media. When they tasha ngamakhethe ngathi umuntu oshawe imkhovu. Ningasukela abantu abangasukelwayo. Mina I'm ready now from 9th, 10th of January of the beginning of this year, when you guys kidnapped me for condemning your ritual of Ukutwala, where you kill people and mutilate people. You can't save people on a good purpose and then you destroy people on the other side. Emthonjeni wodwa ngeke kuphuma amanzi ababayo namtoti. Akuvumi lokho. Busekani madoda. Ozo nenkinga yalokho thatha umuntu ungishaye mina ungabe lokho ungikidnap. I'm not in the army. Mhlambe kaRamaphosa ekaMgabe or eka-Vladimir Putin or eka-Bush or a United Nations security forces. I'm not carrying guns, I'm carrying muti. If you want me, start on me with muti, I will show you your mother naked. Then khona. Uzinya ngikhala enyathakathwa. Mawuthakathwa wena abanye abantu bazoba njani? Anthakathwa mina qala uzobona. I assure you uzobona. Ngiyokukhombisa ugogo wakho ehleli kahle uzobona ukuthi izinto eziyi-crazy njani. Now, I will open this one because it has our bottles that contain our muti, our medicine. Right. Angezi ngamabomu ngiyayazi into engiyenzayo. When I get to places like these ones, I assure you, I get a bit mad. I think I'm fine with this bucket. These ones, I'll just put them back there. And here, I will place this stuff and my matches there. Yay! Nina lonke nizenzo kokhovula lapho wena kokhovula lwenyanga. There's no such a thing like that. Hlukana nalelo gama, it will be too much for you. I'm calling on for an investigation on this person calling himself Kokhovula lwenyanga, not wanting people to see him on videos. A thorough investigation will be done. I'll start with the Gauteng Provincial. I'm very connected. I've got a very senior positioned people to deal with these things. I'm telling you, technology is very intelligent. In no time, uzotuhamba uthi uyothatha imali noma uthumela umuntu esiyothatha lezo mali ozifaka kubo Shoprite uthole bekulindile udila nale phone yakho iba direct straight where you are. I am telling you, you won't see it coming. Don't road people. That name Kokhovula is not something to play with. And the people, they know me. People, they know their shepherd. The ritual of the river. This is what I'm doing. The ritual of the river. These are the ones I think we have to take them back. The plastic, we are going to use it. Let's take it back. Let's take it back. Let me take this one back. The setting is nice, the setting is fine. Bring your phone. I want to show fish ramming when you go abantu bami. Sebenza fish epila mina. Now. Namse siyobamba manje futhi. Yabona, yay. Hey, yadelela le fish. Iyeqa njengenyoni. Ngokwayibona into nje Mzila. Iyeqa njengenyoni. Iyajumpa. Hey. Uyabona? I know you are copying formulas. You will lie to people and tell them, yeah, we use birds. Yeah, we use fish. Don't do things that you do not know. Don't. That's the reason I'm not afraid to show everybody my formulas, because you will do those formulas, but you don't have spiritual powers to make those things happen. It's like you are playing when anabantu bakho ni impumpute sidonsela nemgodini ziyowela phakathi zombili. I'm having the birds as my messengers. I can send them for whatever purpose is good or bad. And then we've got our fish here. Let me take it there. I will ask for worms there from Mr. Mzila, and then I throw it to Zanda. Whatsoever. And then the work continues. Hey! Buku Maria, uyalala mini. Wenza njalo ngabafana ukubhema lempuphu ebhenywa amakhala lapha eGoli. Ubona kumile emarobotini kumemeza. Darwin. Darwin, kabe kudlila impuphu emhlophe ekudosa amakhala. Wenzani babari? Wena udonsa ngalutho labana balala ngoba usuke edonsa enye impuphu lapha.